Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to cover IIT Foundation for class 8 topic quadratic equations. 7th question guys. The common root of the equation x square minus 7x plus 10 equals 0, x square minus 10x plus 16 equals 0, and options are minus 2, 3, 5 and 2. So take down the equations and do it separately and find the factors for both separately. X square minus 7x plus 10 and x square minus 10x plus 16. Okay, so what are factors of 10? Middle term 7x, 5 and 2, right? So 5 to 10, 5 and 7 is, sum will get 7. So x square minus 5x minus 2x plus 10 guys. So from first two terms you can take x common, we get x minus 5 as a common. So minus 2 as a common, so we get x minus 5. So overall we can take x minus 5 as a common, we get x minus 5, x minus 2 equal to 0. So if we equate to 0, we get x equal to 5 and x equal to 2 guys. So similarly, find the factors of x square minus 10x plus 16 equal to 0. So 16, what are the factors of 16? Middle term 10 guys. So 8 into 2, 8 to 16, 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, so from first two terms take x common, we get x minus 8. From second two terms take minus 2 common, we get x minus 8. So overall we get x minus 8 equals 0 and x minus 2 equals 0 guys. So overall we got factors as 5 comma 2 comma 8 comma 2. So which is common? So 2 is common, right? 2 is repeated. So option D. So option D guys. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.